Hey everyone, it's Candice. Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is take a look at one of the Deluxe Oceanview Staterooms with a veranda aboard the Disney Fantasy. The Fantasy is the newest of the Disney fleet, and it is the sister ship to the Disney Dream. Okay, upon entering the room, this is the back side of the door with all the safety information that you'll need, including tender stations and how to put on your life vest. These are the closets. They are very roomy. They do come with hangers. There is also a safe, as you will see inside. Life vests are stored up above. There's the laundry bag. There are laundry services available on the ship, and there is the safe, which again works wonderfully as long as you set the combination and actually lock the safe. A small ladder is in the closet for the upper berth, which actually is a bed that drops out of the ceiling for small children. So that's what that is. And then there's some hangers, and a good thing to note about the Disney ships is once you receive your Key to the World card, you do need to put that in the wall, as you can see there, to turn the lights on and adjust the thermostat. That is your air conditioning feature, and it is available for each room, so you can make your room very comfortable. Take a look at these split bathrooms now. The Disney ships feature a split bathroom with a sink, mirror, and commode in one side. And I will tell you, those toilets do take a bit to get used to on how they flush. It's a push button thing, and they make a horrible noise, so just be prepared for that. Then on the other side of the split bathroom, that's where you have another sink, mirror, and then a shower and or tub, depending on the category of stateroom that you're staying in. The first time that you will actually be on a ship, you'll notice the water moving when you're in the shower, and the shower curtain is swaying back and forth. Otherwise, you really don't feel it unless the sea is really rough, just because the stabilizers on the ship are so huge. There are a lot of shelving units in the room itself, so there's lots of storage space. There's a little ice bucket with glasses and a little chest for unpacking. That door was to the adjoining room, and there's beautiful artwork throughout the ship. In the room. It's very homey, very comfortable. The beds are very comfortable. You each have a light on the side of the bed with switches and a few plug-ins here and there. And then as a member of the Castaway Club, which you're automatically enrolled in once you sail with Disney, you will get little gifts in your stateroom every time you sail with them. And it is a frequent sailor club. So after 5, you join the Gold Castaway Club, and after 10, it's Platinum. There is a TV in every room, which there is an on-demand Disney movie channel, which is awesome, and they have like new releases and some of the older classics. So that's a good time too. You can actually go to the concession stand outside the movie theater on the ship and get some popcorn, come back and watch a movie if you so choose. You did just see our room fridge. What we like to do is get a case of water delivered so that we always have cold water to drink. The water on the ship out of the faucets is completely potable and safe to drink. But for when we're going ashore, we do like to throw a couple bags or bottles of water in our bag, so we do have safe water to drink. That's the vanity, which doubles as a desk. There is some more storage in those drawers. And on this particular voyage, we were gifted with a arrival bottle of champagne, and then on the last night of our cruise, we also had a bottle waiting for us. So that was really nice, and a nice little way to say bon voyage and welcome home. It's sad because we have to go back to reality. The little footstool there also doubles as a coffee table and some storage space. You can see our backpacks on the little couch, which actually folds down into another bed. And a client of mine has told me that it's one of the most comfortable places to sleep. We're going to take a step out onto the balcony now. There are several different categories of veranda stateroom on the Disney ships. There are some that have a partially obscured view, partial white wall verandas, which means there's white material rather than the clear plexiglass that you can see through. There is plexiglass there, it's not just railings. So, you know, if you're climbing on the plexiglass railings, number one, that's really dumb. Number two, it's really, really frowned upon. And just don't. This is the cruise line terminal at Port Canaveral in Florida. It's a beautiful, beautiful building. It's one of the prettiest, and I may be a little biased, but it is one of the most beautiful terminals. It's blue and glassy and very pretty. That's going to do it for this week's episode. Please hook us up on social media, and we will talk to you soon. Safe travels.